Huh, the setup was better than the weld. But she's on. And there we have it, a working, foldable, collapsible forge on a budget using a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, a exhaust pipe from a motor factors, and we're forging 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch bar. It works better than I expected. I had a few issues with the coal I was using. I managed to track down some genuine coke coal. I've ran a thermometer across the infeed air pipe and it didn't get hot at all. You could just hold it. It was nice and safe. I felt safe using it. It was a very windy day. And I'm not using this in the best location. It wants to be somewhere like a back garden on a drive with plenty of space around it. I am limited to what I can do in my current location. I can't have it indoors because I've got no way of extracting that. But anyway, enough of the waffling. It works. I'm super happy with it. It's taken a long time with prototypes and getting it working, etc. If you follow me on my Instagram, which is anchor_designs_GB, you'll see that I originally put that up a few weeks ago, and this has been in the making for quite some time now. So we finally got there. First test today, works brilliantly. We will be using it in the future, so if you do want to check that out, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video that you saw, please do hit that like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If we can make it any better or any suggestions, would be great. The smallest amount of welding for people, I'm considering selling it, so I don't want, if people can't weld, I don't want that to be an off-put. So I'm going to be looking at some, capping one of the ends out. So if you've got any suggestions, please leave a comment. And if you are interested in these, I'll put my email address just here. And on that note, I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.